Dear learners, good morning. Today we will learn about information security. What is security? Protecting the data from unauthorized access is called security. There are three fundamental principles which define security. They are named as CIA. C stands for confidentiality, and I stands for integrity, and A for availability. Confidentiality. Confidentiality is protecting the data or information from its disclosure or availability to unauthorized users, entities, or processes. This is called confidentiality, or you can say it as secrecy. Integrity means maintaining and assuring the accuracy and completeness of data from its initial creation to the final disposal without any modification or deletion. The receiver must receive the data as it was sent by the sender without any modification or deletion. And availability ensures the reliability and timely access to data and resources only to the authorized persons when requested. The main objective of information security is protecting the information throughout the lifespan of the information while in motion as well as at rest. The data security must give assurance that the data is safe, and it must keep the data away from any damaging agents. There are two broad techniques available to implement data security. They are cryptography and steganography. Cryptography refers to the conversion of intelligent data or message into unreadable, scrambled, and meaningless code before it is transmitted over a network. And steganography is the method of hiding the data in a medium in such a way that nobody other than the sender and the intended recipient knows the existence of the data. The network security techniques are used to develop many network services such as message confidentiality, message integrity, message authentication, message non-repudiation, and entity authentication. Message confidentiality means the transmitted message must make sense only to the intended receiver. To all others, the message must be garbage. And message integrity means the data must arrive at the receiver exactly as it was sent by the sender without any modification or change. A message authentication, the receiver needs to be sure of the sender's identity and that an imposter has not sent the message. Message non-repudiation. Message non-repudiation means a sender must not be able to deny sending a message that he or she sent. It is the burden of the receiver to prove that the message has come from a particular sender. And the reverse is also possible. There is message non-repudiation by the receiver. In the same way, the receiver must not be able to deny the reading of the message that he or she received. It is the burden of the sender to prove that the message has been received by the particular receiver. And entity authentication. In entity authentication, the entity or user is verified prior to access to the system or resources. Numerous cryptography algorithms are available to implement this network security services. To name few, RSA, DES, Diffie-Hellman, hash, LGAML, etc. In this part, I'm going to give a small introduction about cryptography. Cryptography refers to the conversion of intelligent data into scrambled, unreadable, and meaningless code before it is transmitted over a network using an encryption algorithm. The meaningful message is called plain text, and the scrambled, unreadable message is called ciphertext. An encryption algorithm is used to convert a plain text into ciphertext. There are three types of cryptography based on the number of keys that are used for encryption and decryption. The cryptographic algorithms are classified into three types. The first one is secret key cryptography. It uses a single key for both encryption and decryption. It is also called symmetric encryption, and it is mainly used to implement confidentiality. The second type of cryptography is called public key cryptography. It uses one key for encryption and another for decryption. It is also called asymmetric encryption, and it is mainly used to implement authentication, non-repudiation, and it is also used for key exchange. The third type of cryptography is called hash function. It uses a mathematical transformation to convert data into ciphertext, and this process is irreversible process, and it is mainly used for message integrity. So the first type, symmetric key cryptography, same key is used for both encryption and decryption. That is, to convert a plain text into ciphertext, a key is used. This process is called encryption process, and the same key is used for decryption also, to convert a ciphertext to plain text. The second type of cryptography is asymmetric key cryptography. A key is used for encryption to convert a plain text into ciphertext, but a different key is used for decryption. And the third method doesn't use any key, that is hash function, and it is an irreversible process. So to conclude, information security is protecting the information while in motion or at rest. And basically there are two security techniques. They are cryptography and steganography. Cryptography techniques are used to implement many network security services such as message confidentiality, message integrity, message authentication, message non-repudiation, and entity authentication. And there are many cryptography algorithms already developed, and they are RSA, DES, Diffie-Hellman, and hash algorithms. In the next class, we'll discuss about one of the cryptography algorithm, that is a Diffie-Hellman algorithm, which is used for key exchange. Thank you.